Good day, team. Uh, Today I am going to share with you one simple but smart idea which can make your life simpler. Or I would rather say, we individually know certain tricks. As a member of the group, let's share those tricks which can increase other people efficiency. So that is the basic idea behind sharing this today's video, wherein we will discuss about transpose. As per our various requirement, we transpose our data. Say currently in this sheet, this data is shown in a vertical format. Now for our whatever requirement, if we want to transpose this data as vertical data. Normally, what would come to an individual mind is basically he will copy, click on the other cell, okay, go to paste special, and transpose. Now, this is a simple trick which I feel most of you would be knowing. It is an efficient trick, but the drawback with this is if we change this data, this is a static transpose. The the changes will not happen in this. Okay. So now instead of this, what we can do is we can use a new function which is transpose. Now see, I have a latest version of Excel wherein actually this is an array function, and accordingly the result will spill. Now, if a person is having an old Excel, this result will not spill. So for that, wherein you are having say MS Office 2019, 16, 13, or 2010, this transpose will not work. Okay, this is dynamic. If I change, accordingly changes will happen here. Okay, now for those people, they have to, what they can do, who are using the old system, they can select the area, okay, and then use the transpose function if it is there. In some older version, this may not be there. Select the array and then Control Shift and Enter. Then it will work. And if by default you are choosing a smaller area, you can then extend it. Okay, that way. So then it will be working. Okay. Uh, but in addition to this two tricks, let us discuss about one another trick. Okay. To basically see, uh, say for example, I write B3 for moving this data, for transposing this data. If I copy this I want here I have written B3. Here I want B4. Okay. And here I want B5. Correct. So if and similarly here I want C3 and here I want C4. Okay. And here C5. So if somehow I can write this formula. See, normally once we let me explain to you in a different way. If I write a formula here and if I copy it here, by default here it will move to C3, but here I want E4. So if I apply my logic smartly, I can do this. Okay, that is what I am going to share with you here. Okay, if I write like this and then if I extend it like this, now automatically B3 will change. Now if I can smartly replace this SK with equal, my problem will get result. Now similarly here SK C3, if I extend it like this, now my cell reference have come correctly. Now I will press Ctrl H, okay, and replace SK by equal, okay, and replace all. Now see, very smartly we have created a dynamic range to transpose our data. That is what was the trick which I was intending to share with you. Hope you all like this trick and enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Happy learning and happy growing. Okay, bye bye.